I enjoy my LaCroix, okay? I enjoy my LaCroix. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video, we are going to be reviewing, trying out, first impression, all that good jazz on this bad boy, the SodaStream One Touch Fizzi Maker, or like if you want to call it carbonated water, soda water, that jazz. I have a problem with LaCroix. I love it. This is my favorite carbonated water, soda water on the market, and it is kind of pricey because I can go through a box in about 3 days. So I was kind of looking for a cheaper alternative, and I thought, why not just make my own? I picked this up at Target, and I wanted to just come on here and let's try this out. So if you're interested to see the first impression, first use, review, and also a taste test, because of course, hopefully this makes good soda water, then stay tuned and let's get testing. Alright, so let's get into this item. So again, this is the SodaStream Fizzi One Touch, and it's an electrical sparkling water machine maker. It makes carbonated water, soda water. So I picked this one up from Target, but you can get this on Amazon.com as well. And I will also leave price comparisons and links to both of them down in the description box if you are interested. This I purchased with my own money. This was not given. This is no sponsorship. This is me needing to make cheaper soda water, okay? I'm really hoping that price-wise, this helps me out. And also, I feel like soda water, carbonated water, really helps you kick that soda craving. So if you're trying to cut soda out of your diet, out of your lifestyle, soda water is a good step to take. Zero sodium, zero sugar, zero carb. It's really just bubbly water, and I really do enjoy it. So let's take a look at the contents. So the box itself comes like this. It gives you a nice little picture, and then on this side it also shows you the machine. So on the back of the box, it does say that this is a plug-in machine, and it does come with a CO2 bottle and also this bottle right here, which can be used as like a water bottle and attaches to the machine. And on this side, it gives you the 3 easy steps. You refill the water, do the fizzy fizz, and then you enjoy your drink. So as far as the outer packaging, it's pretty plain, pretty simple, but it is, it just basically tells you it is a water machine. Now at the top here, right here, it does say that there are 3 different options that you can control the amount of carbonation you want in your water. So we can go from little carbonation, medium carbonation, a lot of carbonation. Okay, so first at the top of the box, I'm seeing a little manual here. And again, it just says SodaStream. This is the safety guide and warranty information. And it gives you a lot of different inserts. And I think what's more important is the how to use. So here it gives you a picture, step-by-step instructions on how to use the machine. Yeah, we will definitely keep this aside because this is the first time I am actually using a soda maker. And if you have this one or if you recommend one, let me know down in the comments below. But I am pretty excited to give this one a try. Okay. So here is, I think this is the actual, yeah, this is the machine. Oh, I just love a new appliance in the house, you guys. I love it. I love a new appliance. Anything it is, I love. All right, so here we are. So this is the, and it comes in a blue and a black at Target. And I just got the black one because it suits more with my kitchen. So you have your 3 carbon levels here at the top. And then you have, I think this will control the carbonation release. And your little bottle holder. So let's see what else came in the box. Now let's see, we have a smaller box here, and this has our electrical cord, which I will plug in shortly. And here, I'm gonna put this box down. All right, and so we have one more box that came in the large box. Okay, so here is the CO2 bottle. So this is what actually carbonates or makes your water into like a soda. And it's a pretty large. You get 60 liters in this bottle. So I know that Target sells these separately as well as refills. Obviously you will go through this bottle and you will have to get another CO2 refill. And lastly in that box came the bottle. So here we are. So these are really the 4 pieces that you get. You get the actual machine, the electrical cord, a CO2 bottle for your first use, and the water bottle that you can use to insert into here, into the machine. The bottle itself is it's just plasticky. Mine seems to be a little bit like twisty. Like I'm wondering if that comes off or it's just loose at the bottom, and it's a screw-on type of water bottle. All right, so step 1 says we have to remove this blue seal from the CO2 bottle. So step 2 says we have to twist this white cap off of the CO2 bottle. Step 3, we're going to remove the backing on the machine. Step 4, you're going to insert the CO2 bottle starting from the bottom of the machine. Now it's also good to note that there is a hole in the bottom of the black machine. So when you're putting the CO2 bottle in, just go through the hole and then go up and twist. And then step 5, you will place the bottle into the black holder and twist to tighten. All right, step 6, we are going to put back the backing into the machine. Now we have step 7, which is plugging in the electrical cord. Okay, so step 9, you want to fill up the provided water bottle with water, and you only want to fill it up to this water indicator line. So that's what we have, and of course you want to keep the lid off so the CO2 can enter. So it looks like you insert the bottle here and it should hold, and then you can press the desired button, and it says to press twice. All right, pretty simple. So insert our bottle, push it back so it holds, which it does nicely. At the top here, we have the first button, which is light carbonation, second button, which is medium carbonation, and third, heavy carbonation. So I'm gonna go with medium, but you have to press it twice. Oh. Whoa. Okay. All right, so what we're going to do is try the third button. And I'm hoping that it's not going to spill anymore, but it could. It very well could. So let's put this right back in, because we have lost a majority of the water. Like, this is where we filled it up to, and this is how much water left while it was carbonating. Like, that's crazy. But let's go back in. All right. So we're gonna try the third button now, and it's probably going to get water everywhere. Okay. Okay, that was actually much better. And I see bubbles in here. You guys can see as well. They're floating to the top. This is what I see when I pour a LaCroix in a glass. So that's good. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That carbonation is definitely there. That is fantastic. Okay, so I like level 3 most definitely. That would be my level of carbonation for sure. I like that I see the carbonation in the bottle itself. Now, what I would do just to be safe is fill up the water to where it says SodaStream. That's just what I'm gonna do to be safe, because even while it was putting the carbonation or the CO2 into the bottle, I could still see the water levels rising to the top. So yeah, just to be safe, I'm just always gonna fill up the water to this level. Putting the machine together, super easy. Putting the CO2 in there, super easy. The only thing that was well, not even complicated, but gave me some issues was the water levels, because I wasn't sure how much pressure was gonna come out of this machine, and it's a lot. So just my recommendation is to fill up the bottle to the SodaStream word and not the actual like line that they give in the bottle, because it went literally everywhere. So if you have this machine, let me know what you think down below. How do I rate this? I would give this, I think for my first time use, out of 5, I would give this a 4.5 out of 5. I think that the manual should have really indicated the water level appropriately. Now it did say to fill it up to this little water line, but honestly, doing that and then pressing the level 3 of carbonation, water is gonna go everywhere. So I think that they should really indicate different levels of water for the different levels of carbonation that you want. But other than that, the water is carbonated. The water tastes good alone. So yeah, I really like this machine. Let me know what you think down below. And if you like this video, please leave it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, so with that, I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Mwah.